How to not get copyrighted on TikTok. Hello guys, I'm Atticus from Create Login and Delete, back with another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can not get copyrighted on TikTok. So let's just get started. First, open up your TikTok and make sure that you're logged in. After you do that, tap on the three lines on the top right. And now you'll need to go to TikTok Studio. If you don't have TikTok Studio, you might have Creators Tool. Just tap on it. Now after you do so, you'll need to go to the settings on the top right. Now on settings, you will get the option that says video sound copyright check. Make sure that you've turned this on. What this does is it auto checks every time there is a new post and it will check for copyright. Now after doing that, you will not get copyrighted. But if you also want to just avoid getting copyrighted other way, what you can do is when you post a post or when you create a post, make sure that it does not contain any music, and you can add music from TikTok's music feature. So yeah, that is basically it for the video guys. I hope you guys found this video helpful, and if you did, leave a like down below and subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions, leave it down in the comments and stay tuned for more.